Hello and welcome. In this video, we will take a look at the smartQED Jira app, an app which establishes a bridge between the smartQED and the Jira ticketing system, allowing us to perform our investigation on smartQED while still ensuring that all activities are recorded in Jira so that Jira remains the single source of truth. Now, I will be joined by two of my colleagues in this investigation, and we will see them performing some operations along with me, and they will get reflected on the fishbone and they will also get pushed to Jira. So one of the first things that we would like to do is select a particular component. Like I'm going to select my DB issue, my colleagues will select some of the other components. Now, and I would like to start my investigation by focusing on the memory angle of the DB issue. So I'm going to add a subcause, pick one from that drop down list, memory issue. Now once I have added this subcause, I would like to maybe put in a priority, assign it to myself, in which case that is that I am the tutorials admin. And since I put a human on the job, I would also like to set a due date. Now this is a login failure issue, serious issue. I will just give myself a couple of hours and I would like to solve it by then. Now let us see what got pushed to Jira. There we go. And I'm going to start from the bottom because quite a few things have come in here. Right, so the first two was just a problem getting created. Now here, I created a new subcause, memory issue. Some of my colleagues created their subcauses, OS issue, new cause, performance issue, my app issue, build issue. And then we started putting in some priorities. So memory issue was set to urgent. I assigned it to tutorials admin. App issue, all the priorities were set to urgent. Assignments were done. Due bys were set. Like in this case, I added a due by date for DB issue, memory issue. So all of those things which myself and my colleagues performed got captured in Jira. Also interestingly, the fishbone picture also got captured. Like in this case, all three of us, two of my colleagues and myself have added some subcauses, and all of that has been captured here. All right, so that's my fishbone and that's my Jira ticket. The two of them are in sync. Thanks for watching.